Hey, what's up, everyone? Real quick, we're going to go into an idea here. We don't have any open positions right here on BBBY. Also, want to bring you Macys, a couple of different good ideas, and I posted this from the pre-market hours on Stock Twist on Discord, obviously, and on Twitter. I missed a couple of opportunities on Macys on bear flag formations on the 5-minute time frame, but want to give you the entries there on this video. So when you see these type of things happening in front of you, that you can take an opportunity for yourself. And the main thing on the video is key, the trade reversal on key. So I want to bring you that right now. On BBBY, we are watching support on the 15-minute time frame, 504, 503. $5 right here. So how this price interacts right here in 503, we've seen come up to the rejection of the 100 on the 15. As you can see here, rejected this area too. So we've been watching that, but we're gonna jump into key or Macys first, part of it here. So Macys, I was watching from the pre-market hours. You can see a couple of things that we've been watching here, a couple of flags. The first main entry, and it was probably the best one because it was a little bit more clear than anything else due to resistance on the view app and the 100 simple moving average on the 5 minutes, was right at the rejection here on this right here. So out of the gates, it opened quick flush and then came right back up, right? Had a reversal, and when it got onto the view app, it rejected this position right here. As you can see, it was a bunch of consolidation around this trend lines right here, and I missed the bear flag pattern right here. A flag, just to give you some information, is a slowdown on a trend prior to having they follow through on the current trend. For example, on this video or this information on Macys right now, we can see that there was a downtrend here in this reversal, a pull, a flag, and then this is a slowdown, and then a follow through on the actual move, which was a bearish trend when it actually rolled over right back down. The second flag that we have here, we have a flush here, then we have a slowdown on the bearish trend, which gives us another flag. Again, the flag is a slowdown or a pause on a trend before the follow through on the current trend. Flag, another flush. Real quick here, I was watching this possible third bear flag formation and I posted it on Discord, but we had a inverted hammer here and then a doji. I told you guys that it was a possibility that it could come up to the view app if it rejected this thing. We see here the high of 587 on the high of the 5-minute candle, and this one took it 590, although it rejected anyway, it came right back up. So we might have a reversal here with this doji on the 15, but regardless of that, right now it's midday. When it comes to key, what I want to bring you here is the reversal. It was very interesting this morning. You guys know that we traded this one with a quick flush yesterday here out of the gates. It gave us about 25 to 30 cent move right from the pre-market hours. You can see right here in the 15-minute time frame. Tapped on 959 and rolled right back up. We were watching a couple of different areas here right out of the gates today. This is one of the I had on the watch list. It gave us a inverted cup and handle on the 1-minute time frame, and we have a bunch of consolidation, but I want to give you this. Held the 1023 right here. This is one of the areas that we were watching. Very key levels coming up at $10.41. come up, rejected these areas. Look at this 1071, tap the first time, came to a high right here, 1071. So retested the area. Second time it broke and it got on top of it with a little bit of consolidation. As you can see, I was looking for the reversal, no short sale restriction here, so that means that you can actually short the bid, which is a little bit easier to get in. And we saw this resistance right here. We tapped this 1071 again here, prior resistance. Now here, tap again for that support, but the support 1 and 2 didn't hold, so we flushed right back down. We can see here inverted cup handle, cup right here, handle right here. Second time, the second time was gonna test that $10.41. It reversed and found support at 10.43 at the low of this 1 minute candle right here. I want to show you something real quick. So the area key level right here was 1071. 1, 2, 3, 4 tests of the same area 4 times. Flush under, came here. This is a candle that's sitting right here at 1040. This is the reason why we put this trend line here. Posted all of this stuff on the Discord for you guys that were watching it on the group. So right here we were looking at this thing for that little bit of support and retest of these areas for the cup and handle test right here. So right now we were watching afterwards, I apologize, this flag formation on the 1 minute time frame. When it came up, I was talking about the possible retest of the BBBY when it didn't, when it was going to test these areas, but it bounced right off, came right back up. And we were talking about the possibility that we can have a retest of the 1071. It did hit that area again and reject it right back down, so you can see here, and it came right to the BBBY, but it found support again. So right now it's trending on top of this area, but the reversal here was actually a pretty decent reversal, and it gave us an area to work with that we were watching down here when it was going to test a second time around. 1040 test there, came up, reversal, and then at the 1040, and we were talking about this on Discord. And the reversal right here around 1088, I think there was a high around this area, 1084. Let me look at this 5 minute candle, 1084. It was somebody said, oh man, I wish I would have shorted this thing up there, but we were talking about it from earlier times, and I was actually posting the pictures of how the images of how the chart was looking, so everybody was able to take a look at it, just if somebody was trying to get a long or a short trade, just to know exactly what this stock was going to do. But overall, decent trade on key. A couple of areas that to watch, and that worked out very well. Again, 1071 resistance, tap 4 times, that at some point became support, and then it came right back down, flushing down to 1041. That was the prior low right here in these areas. I think not only the low, but we open at that area there. We open at 1042, so it was really a key level here on these areas, 1071, 1041. As you can see, 30-cent range under the low here in the 5 minute time frame, with this hanky man showed up for that reversal trade right back down to the support on this area in the 1 minute time frame. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and you guys will enjoy the weekend. For now, I'm gonna let you guys go and enjoy the rest of your day. Happy trading. Take care.